Hello, everyone! Welcome to a special 20-minute English lesson. Today's story is called The Magic Kite Adventure. Let us visit Anna and Lily. They have a big plan for today.
Look, Mommy! The leaves are dancing. The wind is blowing fast.
Yes, Lily. It is a very windy day.
Can we fly a kite, Mommy? Please? I want to see a kite fly high in the sky.
That is a wonderful idea. But we do not have a kite in our house.
Can we make one? We have paper and string.
Yes! Let us look for materials in the craft box. First, we need a large piece of paper.
I have blue paper, Mommy. It is like the sky.
Perfect. Now we need 2 wooden sticks. We place them like a cross to make the frame. Perfect. That should do it.
I have the string. It is very long and strong.
Good job, Lily. Now we need some glue and tape.
Here they are, Mommy.
Let us draw a big diamond shape on the blue paper.
Can I draw a big happy face on the kite?
Yes. Your kite will look very happy in the sky. Now we cut the paper carefully with scissors.
The kite looks beautiful. Can we add a tail?
Yes. We can use colorful ribbons for the tail. Those ribbons help the kite balance in the air.
Look! Look! Our magic kite is ready now.
Stop. Let us learn some new words from the story. Kite. A kite flies high in the sky. Windy. Windy. When the air moves fast, it is windy. Diamond. Our kite is a diamond shape. We need to walk to the corner and turn right.
I see the bakery, Mommy. Should we turn right here?
Oh, yes, Lily. Turn right at the bakery. Now we are walking through the park.
Look at the beautiful flowers. They are yellow and pink.
The park is very peaceful today. Go straight ahead to reach the bottom of the hill.
I am excited to fly my kite.
Look at the map. We need to climb up this hill.
Windy Hill is very tall, Mommy.
Yes, but the view from the top is wonderful.
We are here. This is the top of Windy Hill. Yay! Wow! The wind is very strong here. 1, 2, 3. Fly away, kite. Ha! Look, Mommy. It is flying so high.
It looks like a red star in the blue sky.
I love our magic kite. It is so fast.
Be careful, Lily. Hold the string tightly.
The wind is getting stronger now.
Look at the sky. It is becoming cloudy.
Oh no! A big wind is blowing my kite. Mommy! Mommy! The string is stuck in the oak tree. I cannot get it down.
Do not cry, Lily. Let me try to help you. The branch is too high for me.
Our magic kite is stuck. I am very sad.
Do not give up, Lily. We can find a way.
Hello, Anna. Hello, Lily. I am here.
Daddy! You are here!
I saw the black clouds. I have an umbrella and a long stick. Let me help you get the kite down. I have it. The kite is safe now.
Daddy! Thank you, Daddy! You are great!
Look, it is starting to rain.
We should go home quickly.
Let us run! I do not want to get wet! That was close! I think we made it!
Inside.
Today was a very big adventure, Mommy.
Yes, it was. I am glad we are home and safe.
Let us make some hot chocolate for everyone.
Yay! I love hot chocolate with marshmallows.
Be careful. The cups are very hot.
I'm glad we're all together. Me too, Mama. This is the best. The rain is very loud now.
Yes, it is a rainy day now, but we are warm inside.
My magic kite is dry now.
You worked very hard to make that kite, Lily.
I was sad when it was stuck in the tree.
But you did not give up. That is very good.
Next time I will fly it when the wind is gentle.
That is a smart idea. We can check the weather first.
I love our family adventures.
Me too, Lily. We are a great team.
Good night, Magic Kite. See you another day.
Let us put the kite in a safe place. Welcome back. Lily and her family had a wonderful day. Today, we learned many words about the weather. Windy. Today was very windy. The leaves were dancing. Cloudy. When the sky is gray and has many clouds. Rainy. Rainy. It started to rain at the end of the story. We also learned the diamond shape. Our kite was a diamond. Remember the colors: blue, red, yellow, and purple. To find the hill, they turned right at the bakery. And they walked straight ahead through the park. Practice these words with your friends and family. You did a great job today. This was a long lesson. Keep learning and have fun with English every day. Thank you for joining the Magic Kite Adventure. Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video.